Press menu. The display will show the general setup. Press OK. With the arrows up or down, search for reset. Press OK. You have several reset options. Machine reset restores all the machine settings that you have changed, such as the date and time. It will not reset the network settings, the security settings, and address book data. All settings restores all the machine settings back to the factory settings. Factory reset restores all the machine settings back to the factory settings and erase the personal data in the machine. If you discard or sell the machine, it's better to use this option. Sometimes there could be network reset that restores all network settings. It might be useful in case of problems with the Wi-Fi or network connection. Using the arrows, select the reset function you want to use. Press OK. Follow the instructions on the printer's display. The machine will restart. Remember that this operation will not reset the error codes, the drum or the toner level, and it will not repair a broken printer. The so-called hard reset does not exist. These procedures will only reset the data.